know what we're going to get?
A deer?
A deer? No, we're not going deer hunting yet. We're going to get something cool.
A crossbow.
Not a crossbow either. Oh, there it is. There's clue number one. Some of it's made out of wood. So now we got it home. Ta-da!
Wells Mobile.
It has electric motor on it right now.
But we're
gonna convert it to a gas motor.
like my hearing.
What happens if you do it slow?
Kind of sticks.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Where you got this? Find out. Where was these? My grandpa. What was the tire? What's the tire?
Don't climb on it.
Can I go
What do you think?
do it? And the steering wheel is awesome.
It's a bike steering wheel.
Yeah.
So he can steer either way. Okay, well, stop it.
Well, still four.
Just messing around with the
That
steering?
thing is awesome. Woo!
Alright. So, been working on it a little bit the last couple nights. I took the motor that was on it out of there. Took this off my track sled. This is a 6.6 Predator motor. Hi.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Where's me and Denny gonna be?
I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a trailer for it so I can
How
haul.
about I move this?
No, put that back.
Oh.
Be careful. It's heavy.
Does it run? Like go forward?
Nothing else is hooked up yet. I gotta get. Taking off the master link. I need. Six. There we go. 6 links. When you put these clips on, I want to know what way it's going to be going. It's going to be turning that way. So you want to put it on so if it does happen to catch on anything, it isn't going to push it off. It's just going to, it'll keep it on there. And easy peasy. Goes through these two. A little plate goes on the end, and the little snap clip keeps it together. Oh, me and Clayton got all the keyways put in and stuff, all the chains. So it's all connected.
Last night.
You found a frog?
He lives in water. I think.
He probably lives with,
Whoa!
oh, no, it's my frog.
Pretty sure you're not
He like you.
creatures in the house or in the garage.
Mom,
Get it out.
my soul.
Get it out. We don't have living creatures in the house or in the garage.
Alright. Do they work? Haha!
I took him
Are
out
we, you want me to, please bring the tree frog out.
in my bed.
Do you want me to hold that over here? Or what did you want me to do back here?
Hey,
Am I doing something?
why you keep on?
Oh! I love it. It's my favorite part of this
And then-
whole,
This is mounted on a different circuit.
okay.
Headlights.
Nice. That's awesome.
So if I flick this switch on, that gives me tail lights. And then, if I can find the other switch, here it is. This one gives me headlights and tail lights. That one shuts off both. This one just shuts off the headlights. Oh, nothing. On. Taillights are on. Headlights are on. Look at that.
Oh, whoa! Wow, awesome. They're awesome. Awesome things you got there. Oh wow! Then I push a button.
No. So I'm gonna mount that down here.
Oh wowie!
Are they on?
Yeah,
What do you think?
awesome.
Okay, cool.
Then I turn them off.
The black switch is for the lights. The red switch is for the engine. It isn't.
Oh.
It's just like a kill switch. So if they're down, that means nothing is on.
Oh, then
But
they're
you-
up.
Don't need to monkey with the lights at all.
I did not know this one was. We'll do that. How about us mount this
That
black
light,
here?
no, it's gonna get mounted right underneath the other ones.
Right underneath.
Oh, look at this. I'm just gonna drill a hole right there. Like these little Lego connectors. You just flip this thing up, put the wire in, flip it down. Done deal.
Yeah, that one is the gas. Yeah, this one is the gas. The one on
So what do you guys all think?
No, I like.
Is this gonna work for Rollag?
Yeah. This thing.
Stay back. I don't know.
Off the chain.
Are you serious? Oh no. You got overzealous. You got too excited.
That's why I had you order the chain tensioner.
Ah. Oh, it should be here soon. Didn't wreck anything, did it?
No.
Yeah, that's not on there.
It's not on there.
That's okay, so they're on.
You want to steer it? I'll push it. We're gonna push it back into the garage.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that actually made it a pretty good chunk of space.
Do it.
Sort of.
Sort of.
Do it.
Someone hit the brakes. Right.
Your other right. Okay, Rowan. Let's see what these guys are up to. He's got some pretty good steering skills.
Okay, turn it off.
What a trooper.
Stop. And a break. And a break.
All right.
That was special.
And it's alive.
And it's very wobbly-ish.
Car works. Gonna have to do some modifications yet. But thanks for watching. See you next time.